1935 Chevrolet Standard Sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, side mounted spare. This is an older restoration, but was restored, I believe, sometime in the late 80s to the 90s. Still shows well, but there's some things I'll point out kind of as we go around. There's touch-ups in the paint, imperfections here or there. But overall, it's one of those, get in it, drive it, have some fun, local shows, local cruise-ins or roll-ins. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan also included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call us at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Coming around the passenger side, you can see dual side-mounted spares, wire-spoked wheels. Of course, the green with black two-tone combination. Underneath the hood, there is a would be 206.8. It's that exact cubic inches. I guess I've heard them called both 206 or 207. And that is actually the era correct engine for this too. Casting number is 837591, and I believe that was a one-off year casting number in 1935. That'd be an inline 6, of course. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. A little bit of delamination going on in the rear glass, as you can see here. There's also a couple manuals that will go with this. Looks like Motors Auto Repair Manual. Be a couple of those. We'll have those in the still pictures if you want to check those out. And just in case you need one more spare, how about a rear mounted one? Again, take a look at the chrome, bright work. And take your time looking through the still pictures on this vehicle. UniqueClassicCars.com. Watched any of our other videos, you know we do have an open door policy. If you can't make it to check this car out yourself, you'd like a third-party inspector to come take a peek at it, give you their report, not a problem. Send them in. Paint up here, I mean, just little spots like this. See some touch up on the vent right there. So like I said, little older restoration, but still looks good, but it shows its age a little bit. All right, take a look at this interior. Door panels, seating surfaces on the interior, good shape. Any idea how that looks? All right. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's turn the key. See, the gauge has moved. Starter on the floor. There we go. So the oil pressure gauge over here, it looks like. That appears that is working. Fuel gauge, and then the water temp that they've added on this side. Of course, fan for a little air circulation in here. Of course, manual transmission. Slip around to the back seat here that's run. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood too, so you see that engine bay. Sounds as you'd expect. Kind of cool. Like I said, this will be fun for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Won't see one of these every day. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to get this side of the hood open. Let's check that out. We'll wrap this video up. And there it is. Again, 206.8, I believe it was, 206, 207. Heard them called both ways. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the engine number. And then also that casting, so you can check that out in the still pictures, and you'll be able to see both sides of the engine bay in the still pics. So again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. 1935 Chevrolet Standard Sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
1935 Chevrolet Standard. It's a green color. Very smooth running car, very quiet running car. Our temperature gauge is just coming up close to an eighth of the gauge. Speedometer is working. It says we're doing 45. Amps are charging between 13 and 15 probably here. Fuel gauge is reading almost empty. Oil pressure is at 15. Those gauges do move. This is a 3-speed on the floor. We have added defrost to blow the air at the front windscreen and keep it from fogging up with multiple speed settings. Very cool. Aftermarket blinker. I do not see that lighting up. Letting go of the wheel. Stays nice and straight. We don't get this car up to high speeds, but it's smooth on the road as any other awesome 30s big wheeled car. Getting the RPM just right for those gears without any synchros. It's easy to shift. This car is easy to shift, easy to drive. You just got to drive a standard transmission. Wait till the RPM comes down and go to the next gear. We've got quarter windows. They work